Using seasonal tokens to get Bitcoin.
Hello everyone, I'm Sam from Seasonal Tokens, and I'm going to show you how you can use seasonal tokens to get Bitcoins without spending any more money and without losing any tokens. We're going to use Polygon Network because the gas fees are close to zero, so we're going to get our Bitcoins in the form of wrapped Bitcoin on Polygon. If you want actual Bitcoin, you can trade it at a 1-to-1 rate on a centralized exchange. So, I've opened up my MetaMask, and as you can see, we have two Matic, though really you could do this with just one. I have 10,000 seasonal tokens in summer, and 0 wrapped Bitcoin. So now let's swap our summer tokens for autumn. Let's see how many tokens I can get for making this swap. Make sure you set your slippage to 1%, that'll be more than enough. And as we can see, MetaMask is fetching a quote. Okay, so MetaMask presumes we'll get 1.19 autumn per summer, and the fee is $0.04. Make the trade. Okay, our 10,000 summer turned into 11,802 autumn tokens. Okay, so now I have 11,800 autumn tokens. I'm going to trade these. But I don't want any more seasonal tokens now. I want wrapped Bitcoin. So I'm going to swap that 1,802 difference in autumn token directly for wrapped Bitcoin. We'll go ahead with that swap now. Okay, that swap is complete. As you can see, I've now got around $11 worth of wrapped Bitcoin, and I have 10,000 autumn tokens. We started with 10,000 summer tokens. Now we can actually trade our autumn tokens for winter. As you can see, we should roughly make 2,808 winter tokens more than our autumn. So we'll go ahead with the swap. And there we go. We have 12,585 winter. Now let's once again swap this difference for wrapped Bitcoin. Again, relatively low fee. Click swap. And there we go. Now we have more wrapped Bitcoin and 10,000 winter tokens. Now, the 10,000 winter tokens are worth less than the 10,000 summer that we started with, but we're not worried about that because we know that the winter halvening is coming up later this year, and after that, winter will be the most expensive token and spring will be the cheapest. That means I'll be able to trade the 10,000 winter tokens for a larger number of spring tokens, so I can take a profit in Bitcoins again. So I'll always have 10,000 seasonal tokens in this wallet, but I'll get more and more Bitcoins as time goes on. That's what seasonal tokens are intended to be used for, generating wealth. You can generate that wealth in Bitcoins at almost zero cost on the Polygon network because of the low fees. The downside is that you have to wait for the season to change for the cheapest token to become the most expensive, and that takes 9 months, so you have to be patient.